Hey, Raphael, this is Peter. It was great to talk to you on Skype. I'm sending you a video pretty soon once I'm done with this, and letting you know that what the process is that we do is really simple. Right now, what you're seeing is a very simple sales funnel that we use to get divorce cases in. And basically, we'll be getting names, phone numbers, and email, and all this data will go right into your partner's inbox or wherever you want it to go to. Um, and when people do submit the information, it will take them to basically a thank you page saying thank you, and we'll be reaching out to you. Um, but that's pretty much in a nutshell. But I went to your website and took a look at it and realized that the difference between a website and a sales funnel is basically a website. It has information about the law firms, and the thing about a website is very distracting because there's no straight path anymore. Whereas a funnel is we can get your target market and get them right into a sales funnel. So people are raising their hands and letting them know that they need your service really badly. So we always believe in a very straight path and directly. So the leads come in real time, and they also come in. In your inbox basically. So uh, so basically, we have the copy. We've done the market research on this, and everything is pretty much proven system. Um, so you can see, like, divorce shouldn't be about forms and courtrooms. It's about people. And then, we list the things like difficult cases call for dedicated professionals. Um, and saying ending a marriage is not easy, especially when children are involved. High assets marital separations can be daunting, even with a prenuptial agreement in place. So we really have the copy down very well, and that's what's going to really get a ton of leads that will convert into cases. And of course, we have a call tracking number, so we track everything from the back end. So we know what's happening, and then basically um, we have the name of the attorney, the law firm, and again another call to action at the bottom here. And it's pretty much it. It's very simple. Like I said, it's a straight line, and that's what we believe in. Getting the leads in very quickly, and we use that by doing Google AdWords, and we've already market research the exact keywords that we have in place that will get you guys the leads that you need. So um, if there's any questions, I think we're going to meet on Wednesday at 1 p.m. and and then we can talk more. But if there's anything else, I'll shoot you an email, and we'll talk soon. Okay, thanks. Take care. Bye bye.